Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Total Offroad. I've got a brand new F450 Platinum, folks, not even a work truck, full Platinum here that we got our hands on, and we made it perfect. Now, I know a lot of people have different styles. Some people go really crazy with it. Some people don't really do anything to the truck. We like to make our trucks perfect. That way the customer's happy. That way whoever's driving the vehicle can daily drive it as much as possible, but also be a little bit different at the same time. I just want to mention that we built this vehicle for Pugmire Ford. What we went with here is American Force rims, and we wrapped that with 38-inch Nitto Grappler tires, okay? Now, we've gone with this setup with a bunch of our builds because it provides low road noise, but also having a nice look, but most importantly, a really good bite if you're off-roading. Now, we went with 38-inch front and rear. As you can see, these American Force rims are one of the nicest rims that you can currently get on the market. And when it comes to the stance, absolute perfection. Now, when it comes to the lift, there's a couple of things that we've done here. So it's a 4-inch lift. There's no reason to go 6-inch on something like this. 38s fit really nice with this truck. You don't have to cut. You don't have to do anything like that. They don't rub. Take a look at that. No rubbing, no cutting at all. And you have Fox suspension underneath. All of your steering absorber is going to be Fox, and also your shocks in the front and rear are Fox as well. That's just going to ensure that you have the best ride. You don't want to have tires and rims like this on a truck that weighs and it's going to be towing things that this thing can tow with some cheap shocks, right? So you want to have Fox on the front and rear. And just so you guys know, the suspension lift is a wicked 4-inch lift. So let me know down in the comments what you think about this setup. I think it is darn near perfect, okay? I don't think it gets much better than that. Yes, you can get crazier if you want, but I think us at Total Offroad absolutely nailed it with this build. If you want something like this done to your vehicle, give us a call, contact us, and let's see what we can do and make it happen. See you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Peace.